Experiencing connection problems with your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset on your PC? The most common culprit is the 2.4 GHz wireless dongle. First, ensure the dongle is properly inserted into a stable USB port. Try different ports to rule out faulty ones. Next, verify that the headset is in pairing mode by holding the power button for 5 seconds until the LED flashes. The dongle's LED should turn solid blue when successfully paired. If pairing fails, interference from other wireless devices may be to blame, so move away from Wi-Fi routers or Bluetooth devices. Remember to keep your Windows version updated to the latest version, Windows 11 or 12 as of 2025, for optimal compatibility. If issues persist, a simple reboot can often resolve temporary glitches. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, update your HyperX drivers and software via the HyperX Annuity app. This ensures compatibility and fixes potential bugs. Outdated USB drivers from Intel or AMD chipsets can cause conflicts. Use Device Manager to update these drivers. For USB port issues, ensure stable 5 volts power and data transfer. Tools like USB Divu help diagnose problems. Faulty ports may be due to dust or damage. Try swapping to a different port or use a powered USB hub for sufficient power. This can resolve connectivity issues. If drivers and ports are fine, update the headset firmware through the Annuity app. This can fix underlying issues. As a last resort, contact HyperX support. A faulty dongle may require replacement under warranty.